Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a sew-in. This is my client's first time ever getting a sew-in. She is getting married in September and she wants me to do her hair. So what we did today was a trial run of the style. Not necessarily the style, just more so the install, just so that she can see how she feels about having a sew-in and also how she feels about just the service in general, being that this is our first time together. So I started off with the braid pattern. She is getting a side part on her left side. So what I did was braided the sides down directly away from the part, so straight down away from the part, and then the braids that are in the back are just going straight from top to bottom. There is a anchor braid at the bottom or the nape of her neck, and that is going horizontally. You can see it here, and yeah, that's what we have so far. You'll notice that I am using the wax stick to just kind of get her hair a little bit of tacky before I braid, and also I'm adding a little bit at the ends of her hair to kind of help it stick together. Usually I don't do this. This is something new that I just did for the first time, and I actually really like how it worked out. The reason why I did that on her hair is because she had really kind of straight hair, and also her hair is relaxed, I believe. So her hair is really kind of straight, and it also was fairly short. So I just wanted to make it easier on myself to get that hair to lay down and kind of be able to control it the way I wanted to. So that is the reason why I use the wax stick. So I was getting into my flow, y'all, and I almost forgot to show you the way I started sewing it down. So what I did was I doubled the tracks, and I took that first track and I started from the closed end of the tracks. I never sew from the open ends. I always start from the closed end, and then I sewed that double track all the way across that anchor braid in the back, and then I just went from there. And I did sew under the track because in my experience, I find that when you sew under, it just makes it more seamless. If the customer wants to like kind of put their hair in a ponytail or flip that track over, it makes it easier to hide the braid and to hide the track when you sew under. So we kept it simple. My customer did not want to get her hair styled, and she also didn't have time to get it styled because she had to be out by a certain time. So you'll see me just blending her hair as best as possible for her request.